Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna make a video about a thing that I didn't think I would make video ever really, but it's kind of also anniversary in a way for me. On June, it's been a month and something, I celebrated basically 2 years on YouTube as a full-time creator. And I wanted to talk about how it actually has been. Has it exceeded my expectations, or it's exactly what I thought, or it's less? So if you want to hear more about that and like statistics, money, future plans of the YouTube itself for me, keep on watching. Also disclaimer, I hope the other creators will not be mad of me talking about these things because I feel like I'm in a completely different place from them. I'm not in the UK or USA, I'm in Latvia, which is not the best place where to make videos. Let's just start here. I started my reaction channel, like actually started 2 years ago. And has it gone in a way where I thought it would go? Absolutely not. It has been a rocky road, let's say the least. Will it change for anything? Absolutely not. I would take this any day over corporative job. Corporative toxic culture just basically killed me. So I'm so glad that I'm doing this and I can be self-employed, and I'm fortunate position that I was able to do it and like leave my main income job. Which was really good job to be said. But also I already started my channel before I left, so I knew that I had a safe blanket. It's difficult to juggle like your main full-time job and hustle on the side, but it's worth it, trust me. If you are planning on doing it, just do it, run with it, you will be forever grateful. But was I expecting how it went? No. That being said, I gained 70,000 subscribers basically over 2 years, and I'm so forever grateful. I can't imagine that I have that many people with me, that they have seen me and gave their time to me to watch my silly little videos. It blows my mind and I will be forever grateful. So if you are coming from my main channel, thank you, and welcome also on this channel to have a little different aspect on me here. So that being said, what are my future plans for YouTube? I'm cutting down. I am cutting down as we speak. I think maybe, I don't know, maybe my main channel viewers have already noticed that I'm uploading just one video now and I'm taking Mondays off. I haven't done that in a really long time. Like for example, last year I basically made 600 videos. 600, that's insane amount of videos. Now been seeing that I don't know, maybe I'm dropped out of YouTube's algorithm. We'll see that drop on my statistics. There's no point for me to making any more 2 videos a day. One video is basically the same amount views I will get from 2 videos. I'm just focusing on one video and I'm trying now to expand on other sides. I know I have my safe, great people who are with me on my main channel, who are chatting with me in comments. I recognize your pictures, your usernames. I already know who you are. So I'm so glad that you are with me. So I know that I can upload one video and you will be there for me and I will be there for you. So that being said, let's go further and let's talk money. I'm gonna just go onto my analytics and you will see what I see right now on the screen. So this is this month. This is from the June 12th, 13th. And you can see it's not going great. It's not also amazing or really bad. I have created quite a bit of videos over this period of time. I have got 174,000 views, which is insane amount of views, and it's 15,000 hours of watch time, which is mad. It's crazy. I can't even imagine what does that even mean. Like, what? 683 people have joined, which is, you can see with the arrow down. Usually I get from 1,000 to 2,000 per month, so it's dropping. And money wise as well now is 256, usually typically from 280 to 470. So it's a big drop. But I want to show you basically the lifetime of my YouTube. So basically I fully started, see, the June. Beforehand I started something, but it was like now and then when I did some things, and the beginning was good. It was really good. It really took off and I was like, oh my god. Also altogether 10 million views. I have gained 10 million views over 2 years and I've earned overall 12,526 euros in 2 years. So you can do the math in 2 years, how much that is or how little that is. If you think that YouTubers are making insane amount of money, that's just not true, especially in my like my point of view, and maybe just in reaction music niche, it's just not where the money is whatsoever. So if you're thinking about starting reaction channel, think about more. If you are not really passionate about music, maybe don't do it. If you're really passionate like I am passionate and I like what I'm doing, so I'm fine with this. Of course, I would prefer to earn more from like 10 million views, but it's absolutely fine. It's absolutely fine. And yeah, you can see, I will change now to like 360. So we can see where the drop happened. So you can see from the July, like it's going pretty, from me, it's good. If I go around 15, 20 euros per day, that's glorious. Like one day was, the best day for me was 113 and December 13th, which is funny. But after December, I got sick and it just dropped and never came back. Like if you see all these numbers, it's just kind of sad. And I'm not quite sure what's up. Here at the end now, it kind of took up again. But this chunk from December, I mean, you can see how high all the dots are compared to now. And it's mad. I'm not quite sure why, but it's just been that way. Would I prefer to go back to how it was? Obviously. Even in watch time and like views and subscribers and everything, it just has nosedived. I want to see how long it's gonna take for me to get back where it was. Because for now, I'm kind of clueless and I'm not doing anything different whatsoever. I'm doing exactly what I did before, and it just dropped after that December when I got sick and I didn't upload videos for like 3 weeks because I was gone. I was not able to talk to, I have no voice, nothing. So it's interesting to see how it looks like when it just dropped and died out. So if you're thinking about starting reaction channel, think about it twice how it actually looks like, because it's absolutely crazy to see how much money earned people on different niches with the same like 4.2 million views in a year. That's a lot for other niches. That's a lot. And this other side of the statistics will look completely different. But for reaction channel, for my channel, this is how it looks like. And I would maybe keep you updated every month how it looks like. So last 28 days, it's sad. Like if I'm earning from 5 and it's going down, you see uploading videos every day and it's just slowly just going and going and going and going. So it's sad. It's sad. It's absolutely sad. But I'm not giving up whatsoever. I'm try and do my best in the future to keep on going. But I obviously would love to get back on that higher position in a way, because I'm doing the same thing. I'm engaging in the same way with people as I have done before. And I'm interested where this channel will go, and if I will get monetized on this channel, the difference on the niche aspect, I want to see about that. I want to see how the CPM, RPMs, like revenues will change. And like you can see even from months from February, how it dropped. Last month was a bit better, and now I'm like 10 days in and I have earned just 43 euros. So it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. It's mad. And it's all of it, like with audience and everything. And still also want to say there's 73.8% that are not subscribed on my channel, which is crazy. So if you're from my main channel, please go click that subscribe button. I would appreciate that. And yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say. I don't know how this video comes across. I just want to share you the insights of reactors kind of view in their like behind the scenes in like statistic wise and like thought process, what is going on, especially now in 2025. And is it worth it? If you love music, it's absolutely worth it. If not, I don't think so. Yeah, that's a little insight of my statistics on this, my main channel of 70,000 people. So just a little food for thought. if you have never thought about before. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you maybe want like monthly updates, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to share them with you. Also, if I will get monetized on this channel, I would love to compare them with this channel and that channel. That'll be cool. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and leave your thoughts and comments down below. Are you shocked about this, or you thought this is exactly what you thought it's gonna be? And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and now it's next time. Bye.